Hey guys! Welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to download the Monzo app. So let's get started. Downloading the Monzo app on your iPhone or iPad or Android is quick and easy. First, open the App Store or Play Store on your device. In the search bar at the top, type Monzo and tap Search. Once the Monzo app appears in the search results, tap the Get or Install button. You may need to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID/Touch ID to confirm the download. The app will begin downloading and installing automatically. After the installation is complete, open the Monzo app by tapping its icon on your home screen. You're now ready to start setting up your account or log in if you already have one. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.